Hey guys, Victor Isibor here. What's up? How are you doing? Thank you. Old timers, salute. Like in the military. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. First timers, I hope you find a reason to subscribe. What we do on this YouTube channel is to try to save you from scams by, exposing fraudulent schemes and also recommending to you what I think is legitimate, even though I'm not a financial advisor. So I hope you find a reason to subscribe to this YouTube channel before the end of this video. Now, if you are a content creator and you're watching this video, you will agree with me that once a while, projects send their representatives to go out there to look and scout for influencers, and people will reach out to you with offers. Now, if you are a content creator in one of the most populous black nations in the world, like Nigeria, especially if you are anywhere in Africa, you will agree with me as a content creator that Africa, Nigeria especially, has become a fertile ground for Ponzi schemes. Any fraudulent scheme that wants to sell out very fast, they bring their trade to Nigeria. Okay, they want to leverage on the high population density in Nigeria. They want to leverage on some of the harsh economic realities in Nigeria. Okay, and they also want to leverage on the greed of a lot of people in Nigeria. So they always bring their Ponzi schemes to Nigeria to launch. Now, so I get this kind of DMs every day, and this particular one came to me to talk about TOAC. Okay, I have an impression about TOAC, and that impression I have about TOAC, my humble opinion, TOAC is gambling. Your fate at TOAC is 100% dependent on the developer. There are no statistics to verify the outcome of any prediction or trade that you make. It all depends on the developer. So that's gambling as far as I'm concerned. And this young man comes to me. Let's see his picture. He says his name is Daniel. Okay, from TOAC. All right. And he says, I'm Daniel from TOAC, a division of Jupiter Fund Management, a leading provider of investment solutions. Our company is willing to discuss business cooperation with you, such as YouTube advertising. And my response is, your project doesn't interest me. I don't trust it enough to put my name on it. Okay, it says our platform has over 500 influential YouTubers around the world promoting it. If you're interested, I can explain everything to you. Then I told him, I don't follow the crowd. That I don't follow the crowd, you see a thumbs up. He liked it. All right. I said, I am my own man. I am not interested. I love and care about my followers. All right. So content creation should be about putting your followers and your audience first before your own personal greed. Okay. Now, it says my platform is profitable for you and your users. And I said, profit alone doesn't drive me. I'm not selfish. My reputation is much more important than any amount of money. On a second thought, I was now like, okay, can I have a video call with you so we discuss business? Do you know why I asked that question? I asked that question because if I see a random picture that was taken off of a magazine or on the internet, a picture that I know that the person did not take with his or her mobile phone, I can tell already. Okay, so I wanted to know if this person could make a video call with me so that I can compare the face I see with that on the DP. And it says, so are you interested? Here he is trying to digress because obviously he doesn't want to make that video call. So instead he is trying to use digressional tactics. So are you interested? And I said, let's do a video call. You see me, I see you, we talk. He did not respond. And after 8 minutes, I said, Daniel, no response. Then I went ahead to call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And this guy did not take up the call. Okay? Now, video calls are very underrated. Make that video call, bro. If somebody is trying to impersonate anybody, for somebody that feels, oh, I'm chatting with Beyonce or I'm chatting with Osha Raymond, let me send them money. Before you send that money, make that video call. If somebody comes to you to claim to be Victor Isibor or me, make that video call. Okay? So this one has already exposed not only himself, but the platform he claims to represent, Twerk. Why do you have an agent who is not confident enough, transparent or honest enough to do a video call with an influencer you say you want to do business with? I'll show you another one today. I will round this up. So this guy chats me up and tells me that his name is John. Alright? And on his profile, which I will not want to show to you so that you don't get to see his number and personal information, says he's a German. Alright? Let's go back. Now, this guy says, hello, I am manager of NGN 100 game platform. We are recruiting some agents and I hope to work with you to promote. Drops a link, says this is a Nigerian online gaming platform, will be officially launched on Monday. You see, they even pre-inform many YouTubers beforehand. So a lot of YouTubers that collect monies from these companies and go about advertising for you just so that you would register via their link, they will collect the commissions, and when the platforms collapse, they bring another one to you. Okay, they are actually selling you guys out to scammers. Okay, many YouTubers even know when the platform will collapse, but they won't tell you. All right, they say it will be officially launched on Monday. I hope to promote it through your Telegram channel and Facebook. This will also be of great help to you. New users get 1,000 Naira bonus. It will go viral fast. For every valid user you invite, you get 3,300 Naira. I said, which country are you from? I ask because I already saw on his profile that he claims to be from Germany. He said, friend, we appreciate in online business. We participate in online business. This is not the point. What I'm recommending to you is a Nigerian gaming platform. I said, you are a German from your bio. You didn't create a project for your country. Why did you create for Nigeria? He said, no, I'm the platform administrator. I'm not a developer. I said, let's do a video call and discuss better. He said, sorry, I'm not convenient for video calls. Is this your first time contacting a similar platform? I said, why? I want to confirm that you are the one on the display picture. He said, this is not my job scope. Yadi, yadi, yadi. I said, I am smart, okay? I know the game you're playing. Then he goes further to continue advertising. Now, I get messages like this all the time, and I always turn them down. Remember, guys, I was the first to expose AI mining. AI mining, this was how they contacted me, and this was how I knew from their conversation that they are potential scammers. You say you come from Europe, you are Europeans, you put a white man or a white lady's picture on your DP and you want to come and launch your project in Nigeria. Do you love Nigeria more than your country? Why didn't you launch it in your country? Now you want to come and take advantage, undue advantage of the harsh economic conditions, of the unquenchable appetite for Ponzi that a lot of people have in Africa. We will not allow that to happen. This is a clarion call to all YouTubers. Stop selling out your people to fraudulent people who may be foreigners or not foreigners, because these guys can just put a white man's picture there. They may be Africans like us. Stop selling out your audience. The reason why you have followership on social media, be it Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, is not so that you take undue advantage of their trust in you. It's not so that you cash out on them and throw them under the bus. No, your duty is to guide them aright. Guys, stay away from these shady platforms everywhere. If you want my personal recommendation for you, look in the description of this video. These are transparent platforms. Even the modus operandi, you will know it's transparent. Okay, stay careful out there. Every day, one new scam comes up on the internet. My goal is not to review every Ponzi scheme. My goal is to teach you so that on your own, you will know a Ponzi scheme red flag when you see it without even me having to review it. Thank you guys. I love you. Stay connected. Share this video and give it a like so that the YouTube algorithm will show it to more and more people. Till I see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. I remain Victor Isibor. It's bye for now.